I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try? So I can decide. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. If the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time, 'cause all of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive. Learn to forgive.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and exclusive act.
Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dala'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap magtulak. Natatandaan mo pa ba sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita, sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon?